Hey guys, so I'm here right now in Tagaytay in our French-themed Airbnb and I'm gonna give you a tour. So let's go! So when you enter the room, this is what you see right away. This is the door. When you enter the room, this is what you see right away. A beautifully designed kitchen. Ayan, ang ganda diba? Meron pa siyang mga ganito, may hood, may induction cooker, may mga gamit siya sa loob. Ayan. And then you will see yung keychain. It's the Eiffel Tower. Ang cute. So, after the kitchen, you will see merong appliances dito. This is the fridge. May mini fridge. And microwave. May mga gamit na rin siya. Kettle, pangluto, and rice cooker. And meron siyang maliit na counter, which is really cute. So, naman yung counter. So, mga kutsara. Ayan. Stuff. Okay, close. Ganda dito sa Airbnb na to, meron siyang storage. So, we could put our own stuff there. So, I put there our own stuff, yung mga baon namin. And right here is the living area, which is so cute. So, on this side, you will see the beautiful dining nook. Yan. Tapos, meron siyang napakagandang details. Like this lamp over here. And this mason jar lamp over here is also so nice. So, nasa caption yung ating mini bar. And, dito, may maganda siyang, European style na clock. So nice. Aside from the, the dining area, now I'm gonna show you naman sa living space nila. So, our baby is right there. Hello! Hello, baby! So, this is like a single bed size na, day bed. Tapos nandun yung TV. And then meron siyang Italian style na na window. Kunwari window, pero actually it's a mirror. It's so chic. Ayan. Ang ganda. Tapos ito, meron siyang wallpaper na parang nasa bintana sa labas. May sitting area siya dyan. Ayan. And meron siyang cortina na napaka-girly and fluffy. Now, let me show you naman the bedroom. So, this is the bedroom. Ta-da! This is the bedroom. It's a double-sized bedroom. Ang ganda ng niya, ng theme niya. It's so nice. Andito pa rin itong mga industrial lamps na ganito. And then, yung wall, yung flower, everything is so nice. And it's so maliwalas. You see the window. Ayan. It has white curtains. And on this side, you will see, meron siyang full-length mirror on top of this watch na napakaganda rin. And then, meron siyang little bit of a dresser vanity over here. So, our bags can fit underneath so easily. And look at this. Look at this ventilador. It's so cute. Ang ganda. Kakaiba siya. Para siyang antique na ventilador. So, this is the view of the room. Ganda, diba? And, that's not all. There's more. This is the view niya sa labas. Yung Tagaytay view niya. We can actually go and go outside the balcony here. So, wow! It actually has a really nice balcony area over here. Sakto lang. And you can stand here. And this is the view. That's the Taal volcano over there. That's the Taal volcano over there. Right over there. This is the CR. Ta-da! For Tagaytay, Airbnb. And ngayon, meron na akong mga review